Cycling Northern Vietnam with your children. A family adventure to remember. Traveling with children is not only about visiting famous places, it is about spending time together, discovering new cultures, enjoying nature, and creating memories that your family will remember for many years. If your family loves outdoor activities, a cycling tour in northern Vietnam can be one of the most exciting ways to explore the country. Instead of sitting inside a bus and watching Vietnam through a window, you and your children can ride through peaceful villages, green rice fields, small country roads, beautiful valleys, and traditional communities. You can stop whenever you want, meet local people, taste Vietnamese food, and experience the countryside at a comfortable pace. Why choose a family cycling tour in northern Vietnam? Northern Vietnam offers some of the most beautiful landscapes in Southeast Asia. Outside Hanoi, the busy city quickly disappears. You will find quiet roads, rice paddies, limestone mountains, rivers, forests, and small villages where daily life continues, much as it has for generations. For children, cycling makes the journey much more interesting. Every day becomes a small adventure. They may see farmers working in the rice fields, buffalo walking beside the road, children going to school, chickens running through villages, colorful local markets, and families cooking traditional food. These simple experiences often become the best memories of the trip. A cycling holiday is also a wonderful opportunity for parents and children to spend real time together. Without school, work, computers, and the normal daily routine, the family can enjoy riding, talking, laughing, eating, and exploring together. How far should children cycle? A family cycling tour should never feel like a race. The distance depends on the children's age, cycling experience, fitness level, weather, and terrain. For families with younger children, 20-30 kilometers per day may be enough. Families with active teenagers may comfortably ride 40-60 kilometers or more per day. The most important thing is flexibility. If the children are tired, the family can stop early. If everyone feels strong and wants to continue, you can ride farther. On a fully supported cycling tour, a support vehicle can follow the group and provide assistance when necessary. Children can get into the vehicle if they become tired, while stronger family members continue cycling. This makes the trip much more relaxing for parents. Hanoi and the Red River countryside. Hanoi is an excellent place to begin your family adventure. Before traveling into the mountains, families can enjoy an easy cycling experience through the countryside surrounding the city. Just outside the busy center of Hanoi, you can discover small villages, vegetable farms, local markets, temples, and peaceful roads along the Red River. It is a great introduction to Vietnam and allows the guide to understand everyone's cycling ability before beginning the longer journey. Mai Chau, a perfect place for families. Mai Chau is one of the best destinations for a family cycling holiday. The beautiful valley is surrounded by green mountains and rice fields. Many roads around the villages are relatively flat and quiet, making the area suitable for children and recreational cyclists. Families can cycle between traditional villages, stop to see farmers working in the fields, and learn about the culture of the Thai ethnic communities. Accommodation can include comfortable hotels, eco-lodges, or traditional homestays. Staying in a village can be especially interesting for children because they have an opportunity to experience a completely different way of life. Luong, Nature Reserve. For families looking for more adventure, the journey can continue toward Luong. Luong is famous for mountains, forests, traditional villages, and spectacular rice terraces. The cycling here can be more challenging than Mai Chau, with some hills and rough sections. However, routes can be adjusted according to the family's ability. One of the great advantages of a private family cycling tour is that you do not need to follow a fixed schedule. If a hill is too difficult, the support vehicle can help. If the children love a particular village or waterfall, you can spend more time there. The goal is not to cycle every kilometer. The goal is to enjoy the journey. Ninh Binh, cycling between limestone mountains. Ninh Binh is another excellent destination for families. Sometimes called Halong Bay on land, Ninh Binh has dramatic limestone mountains rising above rivers and rice fields. Cycling around Tam Kok and the surrounding countryside is relatively easy and very scenic. Small roads connect villages, temples, rice fields, and limestone valleys. Families can combine cycling with other activities. After riding in the morning, you can take a traditional boat trip through the beautiful landscape of Trong An or Tam Kok. You can also visit ancient temples or climb to a viewpoint if the children still have enough energy. Combining cycling with different activities keeps the holiday interesting. Food is part of the adventure. Food is one of the best parts of traveling through Vietnam. During a family cycling tour, children can discover dishes such as Vietnamese noodle soup, fried rice, spring rolls, fresh fruit, grilled meat, noodles, and local specialties. If your children do not enjoy spicy food, meals can normally be prepared with less spice. Cycling also gives families the chance to visit small local restaurants that many tourists never see. Stopping for fresh fruit or a cold drink in a small village can become a memorable part of the day. Safety comes first. When traveling with children, safety is always the priority. Routes should be carefully selected to avoid busy highways whenever possible. Quiet countryside roads, village lanes, and suitable trails are much more enjoyable for families. Every rider should have a correctly sized bicycle and helmet. A professional local guide can lead the group, choose safe routes, help with mechanical problems, communicate with local people, and adjust the itinerary when necessary. For longer family adventures, a support vehicle is highly recommended. The vehicle can carry luggage, water, snacks, spare equipment, and tired cyclists. This allows parents to enjoy the holiday without worrying about carrying everything on their bicycles. A sample family cycling adventure. A family cycling holiday in northern Vietnam could start with a day exploring Hanoi before traveling to Mai Chau. The family could spend 2 days cycling through Mai Chau's villages and rice fields before continuing toward Luong for another 2 days of beautiful mountain scenery. From Luong, the journey could continue to Ninh Binh, where the family can enjoy easy countryside cycling and a relaxing boat trip. A typical trip might look like this. Day 1. Arrive in Hanoi. Day 2. Hanoi countryside cycling. Day 3. Hanoi, Mai Chau, cycling 25-35 kilometers. Day 4. Mai Chau village cycling, 30-40 kilometers. Day 5. Mai Chau, Luong, 30-45 kilometers. Day 6. Explore Luong by bicycle, 25-40 kilometers. Day 7. Transfer and cycle toward Ninh Binh. Day 8. Ninh Binh and Tam Kok cycling, 30-40 kilometers. Day 9. Trang and boat trip and easy cycling. Day 10. Return to Hanoi. This is only an example. The itinerary can be shorter, longer, easier, or more challenging depending on your family. More than just a cycling holiday. The best family holidays are not always the ones with the most famous attractions. Sometimes, the strongest memories come from simple moments. Riding together through a quiet rice field, drinking fresh juice in a small village, watching buffalo beside the road, learning a few Vietnamese words, or sharing dinner after a long day of cycling. Northern Vietnam offers families the opportunity to slow down and experience the country rather than simply visit it. Children can learn about different cultures and ways of life. Parents can enjoy spectacular scenery while sharing an active adventure with their children. And everyone returns home with stories to tell. A family cycling tour in northern Vietnam is not about how fast you ride or how many kilometers you complete. It is about discovering Vietnam together, one village, one road, and one pedal stroke at a time.
burnt yesterday.
Yeah.
Because I think